How to get 80% off Expedia coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Expedia coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, 25% off, 50% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. You can copy the code and make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. Then you can head towards the website of Expedia. For some offers, you're going to see the option of continue to this offer. You have to click on that option. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Expedia. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flights, stays, or cars, and then proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. If you have got the code, you can type in the code, or else the offer will be automatically applied and you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as on this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Expedia Airlines. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, groupon.com, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Expedia. So this is how you can easily get up to 80% off Expedia coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.